see Dad. Hi, Dad.
Hi, I'm the boss.
Right, Larry.
Hi,
Dad.
it's Dad again.
Dad, you want to operate the phone?
Sure.
Okay, we're operating. You're looking at yourself. There's Larry.
Hi, Larry.
There's me. Transmission. 4L80E for electronic. It's going in here. Under there.
Behind that.
Behind, yeah. Mated to it. We're gonna mate this transmission to this
No, it's
engine.
gonna be married.
Married?
We're gonna marry it.
Marry it.
Right. Marry him.
Become one.
Right.
And it's gonna fit, I promise. Oh, I wanted to mention, Larry has been complaining that we're not selling any merchandise or shirts. So he's wearing a shirt today. FBK Racing. That's the Ranger. If you guys are watching this and you're from LS Ranger swap page on Facebook, you guys need to order some. And thanks for the tips on the steering shaft. I ordered double D shaft, 75 U joints, so we can go around the whole engine and back, and it should work, apparently, according to you guys. But that's that. We're gonna lift her up in the air. Larry, you got anything?
Lift her up, let's see how much of this firewall or this floorboard we're gonna have to pound out and cut out to make this thing fit, you know, because we're trying to put a GM motor and transmission into a Ford.
Where they should have put them to begin with.
Just want to thank everybody for coming back. Kind of, I have all kinds of shit in my head already to
Just rattle it off. Right?
And then when I start talking, I totally forget it.
Right. This isn't supposed to be like a script. We don't have a script
Why
here.
not?
We're just rambling
I
here.
just got things that I wanted to say, and then when I start talking, I'm like, whatever.
We'll add them in later. We'll just start like piecemealing things in there, and Larry will make it work, make it blend.
Oh yeah, that's what I do. Just do it in editing.
Editor.
All right, so let's get this up in the air. Let's stick that up there and see how much of this we got to pound out or cut out.
Larry is lighting the situation. Dad's still working. He's got to be the breadwinner here. All right, so it'll be close. It's close there. Let's see. We're gonna find out here. Larry, what's your predictions?
I think we're gonna have to do something like here.
You do?
Yeah.
All right. I think you're right. Oh. Sounds like it just hit. Does it fit?
No. Right there.
Dalai Lama.
Oh.
Oh no.
It's close.
Oh no. Oh no.
You see that?
Can we see that there? See if we can zoom into her. It's kind of close.
She's close.
There's
I think we will grind.
Shave your nipples. Shave that nipple off
I
there.
think we'll get this nipple out of the
We
way
don't
here
know
a
what
little
that's.
bit.
We don't know what that's for, but
And
if anybody knows the actual purpose of that nipple, let us know.
and then
We're cutting it off anyway, so it doesn't matter.
We'll pound the floorboard in a little bit.
Did you say pound?
Pound.
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 You said pound.
BFH.
I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix the floorboard.
Make sure you don't use the sharp side.
Yeah, that's gonna.
Oh,
Clearance it.
oh, you're gonna cut it out.
You're gonna. Like yesterday or the other day, Larry was gonna be a beaver and gnaw off some metal.
So-
I have the beaver tool.
We introduced Hacksaw Jim Duggan here.
Ho!
Go ahead and pound it.
Fixed it.
That was dangerous. Did anything happen?
I didn't hit it that hard. 'Cause I
Then
don't-
harder. You're actually working on it, so.
Oh, I'm working.
Yeah.
Oh, 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 oh!
Oh! I do work too.
First thing he's done all day.
This is one of those optional equipment. Our bell housing's gonna break now.
All right, let's see.
Dad put a big old wall on that floor there.
said hit it.
If anybody ever can tell us any information about Hacksaw Jim Duggan, that'd be cool. Apparently not that I didn't know this, but Dad's like a super Hacksaw Jim Duggan fan from way back. And according to him and Larry, he is from our area,
Glens Falls.
Glens Falls, New York.
Are we in? I'm dial pinned over here.
All right. Then we got this really nice mount for right now.
This is for mock-up.
Yeah, I ordered a. Yep, one of them.
Because since it will fit in there so easily and so quickly that we decided we're going to make the cross member too. You see, we're all bolted up in there.
Larry's making everybody dizzy.
Yep. We got the cross member all clean, ready to weld up. Got her mount. So next time you'll see it, she'll be all welded up and painted up.
Oh yeah. Pablo Picasso.
All right, guys. There she is. All bolted in, all painted.
Bolt-in style. Don't mind the handprints. Got a wet print.
Our homemade cross member. Oh, get that light out of there. There you go. All right, guys. So now we're gonna go on to tackling the steering issue.
Ain't nobody tackling me.
The scuttlebutt on the internet that we've read is everybody.
Hell's a scuttlebutt.
All right, maybe that's dating my fuck.
Yeah, really.
But anyways,
The analysis.
they are having some issues with the steering shafts and making them
We're hugging.
fit.
This is how big tire cars are made.
So we're gonna. That's even
It's
worse.
terrible.
So we're gonna get on that and see what we can do with that issue.
All right, ladies. If you're looking for a good man or a bad boy, Larry's a bad boy. Chrome socket on an impact gun. He is a bad boy. Lives dangerously.
Did we put one on there?
Yeah, right there, down straight to the bottom.
Huh?
Live to tell about it. Don't spin the steering wheel. I don't want to ruin the clock spring. Have an airbag light on.
The shaft is out.
Okay. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Larry comes for you. So the plan for today was make the transmission cross member, weld it up, mount it up, paint it, put it back in, make sure we still have 3 degrees of angle of the dangle. And then we're gonna tackle for this video the steering shaft from the column to the rack. However, down on the rack, if you look down there, Larry, that is what they call a 3/4 V. I had no idea. Everything I looked up online was 36 spline.
So we gotta get one of those.
We gotta get an angler, but we figured out roughly where we'll be here.
Well, let's start is we got some double D
Coming out of the column.
coming out of the column. We have a Heim, or not a Heim. We have a universal that's gonna bring us out past the header, as you can see.
We're gonna have this Heim support here somewhere down there. I'll make a stanchion off of here, braced. Then it'll go into this double D
Heim.
down
I keep
to
saying Heim. Universal.
double D universal down to the column
Down to the column.
rack. We're idiots today, apparently.
So we figured out the issue. We just have to get the right material to build the rest of the way.
So that's the reason we put these forward-facing headers on. We got some forward-facing headers from Flowtech coming that are stainless.
Yeah, these are lined off from this Pro that we just used for mock-up. We figured it out. We know what we need to do. We just need to get a couple more universals and the right universal to made up to our rack there. And for all you guys out there that are trying to do this LS Ford Ranger swap,
It's definitely not a walk in the park, I will say that.
but here that's your there's your solution to your steering.
And we'll throw part numbers and stuff in the description of our next video of us doing this. Because this video you guys are going to be watching will be mainly transmission stuff and us rambling about the steering. So
Well, not that they will be watching, that they've watched. This
You will
will
be.
be at the end.
you will be, okay, you will have watched this all the way into entirety and realize that we didn't get it to steer.
So I guess that's unfortunately where we're going to end tonight. I'll edit up the video for the transmission so you guys can see the whole. I should say, you saw
The long, drawn-out process.
of building a cross member for the transmission. That 4L80E actually fits in here pretty good, surprisingly.
And I'm just gonna say this. I bought a TIG welder because I want to learn how to TIG weld, and I've been practicing the past couple days, and I'm not a TIG welder. I can't freaking TIG, especially mild steel. I can't figure out mild steel. Pops, farts, bangs, melts the tungsten. It's just not my thing. I'm gonna keep working at it. I've laid a couple $50 dimes welds. They're like this big of aluminum. Turned out okay. I'm not going to show you the TIG welder we bought because people are going to say, well, you should have got this one, you should have done that. Whatever. I don't care. It's a TIG welder. AC, DC. That's all you need to know. But I'm practicing. I'm going to keep working on it. In the future, on some more important stuff, we'll have one of my buddies come over and he'll take care of tidying up for us because Larry tried it too. And
I'm not a tigger either.
Tigger. What was Tigger doing in the toilet?
I don't know.
He's looking for poo.
I don't have kids.
You should get them. They're fun. I got two. You want to borrow one?
Well, all right, so we'll end it there, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share, like. Well, I don't know if
Comment.
you noticed, we've been putting up a couple shorts. I've been trying to do some shorts. We're gonna continue doing them. They seem to be doing pretty good. So keep an eye out for all that. Hit that bell notification so you know when we post something. That's it for tonight.